Here we are looking at the deep subsoil amelioration machine used for the robust ground cover project at Mallee in 2023. We have a frame set up here which can be a 5-tine ripper frame, tines spaced at 600 millimeters apart. And we also configured it to be a 2-tine machine spacing at 1.2 meters, which is our what we're calling a 40% rip out of the whole potential 100% of 5 tines. And we also set it up as a 3-tine ripper, which is what we're calling a 60% rip, so 3 tines out of the 5 tines possible over the machine's width. The reason we dropped down the number of tines on the frame was for 2 reasons. The first one was to leave rows of residue in between the rip lines, as we will see in the paddock when we implement the treatments. And the second reason was because of the amount of equipment associated with this high capacity active inclusion, we need space on the toolbar and the ranks on the machine.
So this treatment is basically a 2-phase treatment, where phase 1 is done in the first season, doing the first part of the paddock, every other row if you like. In our case, we're doing 40% of the paddock in that phase 1. And the other treatment is a phase 2 treatment, where we're doing the complementary part, which in our case is a 60% leftover. And we are essentially doing the whole paddock in 2 seasons. This basically gives us an intermediate yield potential over 2 years, but we also have the added protection of the stubble, which makes that transition into from an unameliorated soil to a fully ameliorated soil very safe. We always have standing stubble in the paddock that will protect the crop and the soil from erosion.